In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and start using Balsamiq Wireframes. By the end, you'll be up and running and ready to create clean, low-fidelity mockups with ease. First, open your web browser and head to the official Balsamiq website. Using the official site ensures you'll get the latest, safest version. On the download page, choose the installer that matches your computer. Pick Windows if you're on a PC, or Mac OS if you're on a Mac. You'll see two file types, .exe for Windows and .dmg for Mac. These are standard installer formats, and the download should only take a moment on a stable connection. Once the file finishes downloading on Windows, double-click the .exe in your Downloads folder to begin. If your system asks for permission to make changes, that's normal. Confirm to continue. The setup wizard will guide you through a few prompts. The default options are great for most people, so feel free to accept them and proceed. When the installer finishes, you can close it and move on. On a Mac, open the .dmg file from your Downloads folder. A small window will appear with the Balsamiq Wireframes app and an Applications folder icon. Simply drag the app into the Applications folder. That's it for installation on Mac OS. When you're done, you can close the window and eject the disk image from your desktop or Finder to keep things tidy. Now launch the application. On Windows, look for Balsamiq Wireframes in your Start menu. On a Mac, open it from the Applications folder or use Spotlight to find it quickly. The first time you open the app, you'll be prompted to enter a license key or start a trial. If you have a license key, paste it into the field provided. If not, choose the trial option to explore the full experience right away. With the app open, you're ready to begin wireframing. The interface is intentionally simple: a canvas in the center, a library of UI elements on the side, and controls to adjust properties and layouts. Drag elements like buttons, text, images, and containers onto the canvas. You can resize, align, and group items, and snapping guides help keep everything neat. Use undo and redo freely as you experiment, and zoom in or out to focus on details or see the big picture. That's it. You visited the official site, downloaded the correct installer, completed the setup, launched the app, and activated a license or trial. Now you're ready to sketch ideas quickly and iterate with confidence using Balsamiq Wireframes.